Sa nalalapit naman na pagsisimula ng UAP Season 86 Women's Volleyball Tournament, magsisilbi bilang bagong head coach ng University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons si Oliver Almadro. Ano kaya ang plano ni Coach O para mapalakas ang Diliman Squad? Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Nagbabalik sa UAAP Volleyball ang batikang coach na si Oliver Almadro. Pero sa pagpasok ng Season 86, nakatakdang pamunuan ni Coach O ang University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons. Higit isang linggo pa lamang ang nakalipas mula ng formal na anunsyo ng UP ang pagkakatalaga ni Almadro bilang head coach. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay Almadro sa UAAP press conference noong Lunes, sinabi niya na simula ito ng panibagong kabanata sa kanyang coaching career.
Sabi nga nila, if you continue staying in your comfort zone, you will never grow. So this is again out of our comfort zone. Players also new system out of comfort zone. But in time, with the help of the UP community and OASD of Coach Bob Perasol, Chancellor and President Gigil, I guess, sabi nga nila, slowly but surely, they trust the process. So yun ang maganda. They are not asking for an instant result. So sabi ko naman sa kanila talagang yung results will always be there. Importante performance muna.
Aminado naman si Almadro na isang malaking hamon ng paglapat ng bagong volleyball program para sa UP. Pero hirit ni Coach O, handa siyang dalhin ang winning culture sa Fighting Maroons.
Nung kinuha nila ako, why you're getting me? I just came from a losing season. And they said it's not about the wins. It's not about the losses that you got. What we believe in you is what you can give to UP. So doon pa lang sabi ko, wala pa ako na ibibigay, they trust me na. So hopefully that trust may balik ko in terms of performance and in terms of, bringing up the character of the players in UP. Sabi ko nga, pabalikin lang muna natin yung laban UP mantra, laban UP, yung culture. So I guess from there, we will move on through the years.
Unang sasalang si Coach O at ang Fighting Maroons sa UAAP Season 86 sa darating na linggo, kung saan nila makatapat ang Far Eastern University Lady Tamaraos. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.